Alright, so last two problems. Number 6. Approximately 3.7 times 10 to the third gallons of cement flow through a cement truck each second. There are 8.6 times 10 to the 4 seconds in 1 day. Select the approximate number of gallons of cement that flow through the cement truck in 1 day. So we have to find out how many gallons of cement flow through the cement truck in 1 day, given that there are this many in 1 second. So on the board here, we have both numbers. The first thing that would be a good idea to do is to convert the numbers from scientific to standard, so that means moving the decimal. Positive 3 means 3 to the right, so it's 3700, 3,700 gallons per second. Positive 4 means 4 times to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 86,000. So we can ignore these and look at just the values. 3,700 gallons flow every second. There's this many seconds in 1 day. So if this is for 1 second and I want this many of them, we need to take this number and multiply it by this number to get how many there are in 1 day. So you'll take this, multiply it by 86,000, and get your answer. Notice that the answer options on the test are multiple choice, and really the only difference is the exponent. So when you multiply that, rewrite your answer in scientific notation. Actually, looking at the answer options, they're not even written correctly in scientific notation. That's 31. So you'll take that number, move the decimal over 15 times, which means 13 zeros, and see, or 13 zeros, and see which of these matches the answer you get there. So be careful with that, because I hadn't seen that until now. It's not written correctly. It's 2 numbers on the left when there should be 1. But move that decimal that many times, and then you'll see the value and just match it with them. The last one, which value is closest to 10 times 10 to the 6 plus 6 times 10 to the third, and you have 4 options. So again, best thing to do is rewrite those numbers in standard notation. So we have so these numbers aren't given with decimal, so we can just put 1 at the end. Moving it 6 times adds 6 more zeros, so that's 10. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Plus 1, 2, 3, 6 with 3 zeros. And this is going to give us 10, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0. So 10,006,000. Our answers, again, are all in scientific notation, and they're either 16s or 10s. So looking at my answer there, it starts with a 10. So automatically, I can cross out A and D. My 2 options are going to be B and C. B has 10 with 6 more zeros, which makes a total of 7 zeros. So if we look here, oh, right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it pretty much close matches that answer there, except for the 6. But remember that this is asking which one is closest. Our second option is 9 zeros after the 10, which is going to be way too big because that's only 7 place values. So our answer here would have to be B.